is it made?
A table.
To make a wooden table, you need a big tree, and you find those in a forest. All wood comes from trees. This machinery is cutting the trees down so the wood can be used to make things. Wow! These trees are about a year old. This one is nearly 5, and look, it's bigger than me. But finally, they'll grow to be this big. This is a special forest, and every time a tree is cut down, a new one is grown in its place. That way, we'll always have lots of wood to make new things, like a wooden table. And here is a busy factory where these furniture makers turn wood into brilliant things we can all use. Like a front door, a stool you can sit on, or a toy you can play with. We're going to see how a table just like this one in a drawing is going to be made.